everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Thanks for checking out our website. Today we're going to go over a brand new 2020 187 RB by Coachmen Apex. Follow me on inside and we'll finish off on the exterior. Hey folks, this trailer is for the people looking for a small lightweight trailer that still has a full walk around queen. This is it. It doesn't have a slide, so it's about as small and as light as you can get and still have a full walk around queen. Has the front window in the front as well. Lots of storage overhead and along the side. It is hanging. Of course, there's storage underneath the bed. Let's move on through. We've got a full sink here, 2-burner stove, microwave below. Here's our furnace right here. A couple cabinet doors. And above as well. We've got our fridge and freezer combination here with good storage above and to the side. So there's really quite a bit of storage for such a small trailer. And you've got tons and tons of storage under this side of the booth. Here you're going to have some electrical, so it's not going to be all accessible for storage. And across there, above the dinette, there is even more cabinets. That's a nice media player there. It'll do Bluetooth. Radio. In the bathroom here, we're getting more storage. So this side is shelves and this side is a hanging closet. Gotta love that. A little more space down there. Your toilet, your sink, medicine cabinet, and a really, really good shower. You got a lot of room here. So really small but comfortable trailer. So this travel trailer, you're going to get an awning almost the entire length of the trailer. Single axle, speakers on the outside here. We've got a full-size spare. Over here, we've got all our hookups in one place. We've got your black tank flush, city water, cable satellite. This is our outside hot and cold shower, and this is a water heater here. Below we've got our sewer dump, black and gray, main termination valve there. And as we move down here, we've got our exhaust for our LP furnace here. And then this is where you're going to put your water if you're going to take it with you. Potable water will go in here. This is the back side of that pass-through storage here. So it runs the full length, or excuse me, the full width of the trailer underneath the bed. And this is your removable power cord here. We are going to provide a battery for this trailer if you purchase it, and we are going to fill up the propane. We're also going to provide a customer care kit with your trailer and a full walkthrough and orientation. Again, I want to thank you for taking the time to check out this RV on our website. My name is Jason Fairchild. If you have any questions on this or any of our other in-stock RVs, give me a call at 541-228-6057. Have a great day.